My dear student, today we are going to learn 52 actually B. Okay, it will be 52B. Some student told me, sir, I have problem 52B 14AB. That's why I am going to discuss only 52B 14AB. You can see obviously 52B 14AB inshallah. So let's go. The math is 1.2z plus 2.4 equals 0.8z plus 3. This match is given. So as usual, here we have to find out the value of z. So that's why the z term will have to be written in the left hand side. So that's why here you can see this 2.4 will be the right hand side and 0.8 will be the left hand side. Okay, so next line will be 1.2z minus 0.8z equals 3.24. Okay, so now before going to solve this, just I would like to show you the difference. 1.02 equals you can see 1.2 minus 0.8 equals 0.6. You can see in the screen. Okay, so now 3 minus 2.4. Some of you make mistake. 3 is the bigger than 2.4. So that's why 3 equals, we can write 3.0 because there is a point after any whole number. Okay, so 3 means 3.0 and 2.4. Subtract it, you will get 0.6, and the first one you will get 0.4. Okay, here you got 0.4 and it's a 0.6. Okay, so now put them. So the 1.2z minus 0.8z equals 0.4z and equals 0.6, the subtraction of this. Okay, do not write 2.1. You say it's a greater than 2.4. Okay, so very careful. And now 0.4 is multiplication with z, so next line will be 0.4 by 0.6 by 0.4. It will be the division. Okay, so now you can do in two ways. Okay, you can do division, or you can remove the decimal point from the whole now, from the two numbers. So if you remove the decimal point from the upper one, so 110, that means 1 0 10 will come in the down one. For point you will get 1, and after point there is a 0. That's why 1 0 will come. So 6 by 10. And for having the decimal point in the down, you can take 1 in the upper one, and for the decimal after decimal point there is a 1 number. That's why 1 0 will come. Directly you can do, or you can do step by step, no problem. Okay, but it's the advanced calculation, it should be. Okay, so now we can cut this 210, and also we can cut 6 and 4 by 2. So upper one will be 3, down one will be 2. Now 3 by 2 equals 1.5. Here why we didn't write the answer in mixed number? Because of the given question is in decimal point. Now I'm going to show you how to write the number in decimal point. So here just you can see very nicely. Just look, the 2 will be by 2 we will divide by 3. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 1 will be our remainder, but we can write in mixed number. That's why we have to take a decimal point in the quotient we took. Now for this point 0 will come down. Okay, so now 5 to the 10, thus answer is 1.5. Okay, got the point? So be careful here. 3 equals 3.0. See very nicely. Understand? Now I am going to number 15, and before going to number 15, just you have to know the cross multiplication system, and this system or this cross multiplication will help you for the next time. So there is difference between the cross multiplication and the normal multiplication. In the right hand side, right side, you can see the normal multiplication, and you know for normal multiplication, that means only multiplication, you have to multiply the upper one and down one. Okay, that's it. Yeah. But for the cross multiplication, you have to multiply the ups and down. Okay, left up and right down, right hand side down. Similarly, left down, right hand side up. Okay, you can start any corner. Sometimes I say that cross means corner multiplication, this corner. And when you have to do the cross multiplication, whenever you will see that there are two fractions in the two side of the equal sign. Okay, so to break the fraction, you have to do cross multiplication. Very careful, otherwise no way. So that's why you can start by the any corner, but for equation, just you have to take this technique, that those corner or those side x will be, okay, x will be there, we will start by this corner or by this side. Here you can see x and d, here x uh, lies the upper, that's why we will start by the x. If x lies down, at that time we will start by down, no problem. Now we will start by upper. Sometimes if x is down, so we will start by down, but this upper, this down. Okay, so x multiply d equals b multiply c. So now we are going to our actual maths. 0.2 divided by z equals 0.4, and you know that every number has a denominator 1, so we can write 0.4 by 1. Can you write? Yes. So now 0.2 and 1 will be multiplied, and z and 0.4 will be multiplied. And you can start by any corner, but we will start from the z. Here z is down, that's why we will start by this corner. Okay, so z and 0.4 multiply together, you will get 0.4 multiply z or 0.4 z, both are correct. Sometimes you can write in multiplication form, or you can write in by multiplying, no problem will be happened. Okay, and now and 0.2 multiply 1 equals 0.2. So 0.4 is in multiplication, with z it will be division. No, well, just we have done a match in number 14. So same thing, remove the decimal point. If we remove the decimal point, then in the upper 10 will come, in the down 10 will come. Now 10 will be cut down, and 2 and 4 also will be cut down. So it's a 1 by 2. So 1 z equals 1 by 2 equals 0.4. Got it? 0.4 is the answer. So I hope that all of you understood 52b. Thank you very much, and no more today. And if you have any problem, give me comment. Sir, I didn't understand this one. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.